Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8a, 8b. So let's start. So question number 1, Roman 1 is given here, logarithm 36. So what to do? Do the LCM of this 36. Here is given express in term of log 2 and log 3. That means this logarithm 36 you have to express in the term of log 2 and log 3. So divide this number by 2, you will get here 18. Again divide this number by 2, you will get here 9, and 3 3 ja 9. So you can write this one as 2 square into 3 square. So we know that multiplication of logarithm, that will be the addition of logarithm happen. So base is not given here, so assume there is a base 10. Okay, so it can be logarithm 2 square plus logarithm 3 square. We are using this formula, logarithm AB is equal to log A plus log B. Base is same. Suppose base is here E, otherwise 10, base should be same here. Now we know this formula also, logarithm A to the power m is equal to m into log A. Power will come to the front of log. Now the power is given here 2, so this power will become to the front of log. So that will be 2 log 2 plus that will be 2 log 3. Now go to next one, question number 3. So question number 3 is given here, logarithm 4.5. So if you withdraw this point, that will be 45 by 10 happen. So divide this number by 5, it will be 2, and there will be 9. So this will be logarithm 9 by 2. Now we know that division of the logarithm, that is logarithm A by B is equal to nothing but log A minus log B happen. Now that will be, you can write log 9 minus log 2. Now again this 9 you can write log 3 square minus log 2. Now if this 2 is come to the front, that will be log 2 log 3 happen minus log 2. So we have already expressed this term in the form of log 3 and log 2. Now left of the problem you have to solve like same way. Now go to next type of problem, question number 2. So question number 2 is given here, express each of the following in a free form logarithm. That means you have to withdraw the logarithm. The question number 2, Roman 2 is given here, 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to log A. We know about a formula, that is logarithm A to the power m is equal to m log A happen. Now you can, this formula here 2 log x, so you can write this one as log x square. This part is given, you have to go that part. In the similar way, here is given 3 log y is given, so you can write this one as log y cube is equal to log a. Now we know that addition of logarithm, you know this formula, logarithm a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So this part is given here, so you have to go backward. So that will be logarithm x square into y cube is equal to log a. Now both sides is log given, so you can use this formula here. We know that log a is equal to log b. This implies the base should be same. This implies a is equal to b. So you can use this formula here. So that will be x square y cube is equal to a. So these terms are free from log. So in this way you can solve left of the problems. Thank you everyone.